Loreada Auto Parts Company Limited was established in June 2014 and is located in the national-level Wuhu high-tech development zone along the banks of the Yangtze River. The company has 4 major production centers covering 15,000 square meters with over 200 employees. After 10 years of dedication, the company has now developed into a comprehensive enterprise integrating design, research and development, production, and sales. The company has grown by adhering to the philosophy of competing with quality and shaping the future through innovation. Since its establishment, the company has placed great emphasis on enhancing its technology, quality, and management capabilities. In recent years, the company has made breakthroughs in market access and qualification certification, obtaining various professional qualification certificates including IATF 16949, ISO 14001, and High-Tech Enterprise Certification. We believe dedication fosters professionalism, and professionalism earns recognition. For many years, our company has focused on developing a product system consisting of chassis, brake pressure sensors, fuel sensors, temperature sensors, intake air temperature and pressure sensors, 3-in-1 sensors, position sensors, stepper motors, throttle body assemblies, and precision injection molding, which serves as the backbone of our corporate development. We serve partners in the automotive and motorcycle industries through its in-house manufacturing capabilities for key components, highly automated production processes, modular supply solutions, and traceable quality system. With stable partnership model, reliable product quality, and hassle-free service experience, we have earned widespread recognition and trust from many enterprises within the industry. Our products are distributed worldwide, reaching over 20 countries, including those in Europe, North America, and South America. Since establishment, the company has always adhered to the service philosophy of stability, reliability, and worry-free solutions, and has been striving to provide better, efficient, professional, and high-quality services to global customers. Quality always leads to success. So, please choose the products made by Loreada.